you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 뭔가 이것을 confuse. उल्टा खानो राइमा नो नहीं नो
विश कर ले एक
Thank you very much. Thank you for
मन में कर ले मन में
ठीक है
पहले नहीं पहले पापा को खिलाओ Thank you so much. बंदूक है मिस ब्लॉगर
तेरे पास रिंग लाइट पहले से है क्या
नो नहीं है
ओ बच गया
हम लोग ना कितना सोच रहे थे क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा
I was thinking to buy it actually
फिर इस बंदूक को भी खोल
I feel after seeing my birthday gifts, I feel like my friends are telling me indirectly that focus on my vlog. Like they are giving me all like this light and phone, and now I received that microphone and SD card, and my sister also gave me a camera. So I feel like now, yeah, I have to focus, really give my time and try to be consistent on making vlogs. Anyways, I'll try my best to keep up with the content, but I can't promise though, since I don't have that much of time. So yeah, whenever I get time, definitely I'll try my best to put in my effort to make good content on video. Yeah. I'm out of words. I don't know what else I could say. I'm really blessed and happy, really. And yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, my dear friends, for all the gifts and all the wishes that you guys have wished me on my birthdays. And all the calls, yeah, all the calls, all the WhatsApp messages, all the uh, wish on my FB or Instagram. Yeah, I really, really appreciate it, and yeah, definitely it made my day. Yeah, really, I feel so blessed. Yeah, so I hope you guys will keep on supporting me and loving me and keep on showering your loves. So, yeah.